Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can delete your account on cnfans. So guys, actually there are not option you can do it directly to delete your account, but I have some solution or some efficient solution. The first step, guys, you have this solution number one: create ticket, and from here click other, and from here title of this ticket, what you have to do, write delete my account, and here write your content, guys. From here, for example, I want delete my account on cnfans, and write I hope get some solution as soon as, and write your content from here, guys. And after that, just like confirm. And step two, guys, solution two, you have this customer support chat, and from here add a request to delete account or something like this on the support team, and write the message to delete account. And if this is not work, guys, what you have to do, scroll down, click contact us, and after that you have this email, and you can contact cnfans from this email, and you can reach this email and write your request to delete your account. This is, I have this solution, guys, and you can write some message to help center from here, and you have all the solution, guys, help center and contact us, and you can delete it account. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and to give share this video for more content.